Hey guys, it's Mykia and welcome to my channel. So today is going to be a cooking with Mykia segment. Y'all seem to be liking my cooking videos, so I'm gonna keep doing them. But today we're gonna be making crab cakes. On my previous how to make crab cakes video, it got 16,000 views, and the audio is messed up on the video because there was music in the background and it's copywritten. So the video is just kind of like trash, but it has a lot of views. So I'm going to be on an updated part for you guys today. This is going to be quick, simple, easy, and just delicious. So if you're interested in how to make crab cakes, how to make Maryland lump crab cakes, just keep on watching. And this time there will be audio because... Okay, so as far as ingredients, these are the things that you'll need. I just got some seasonings. These are just the seasonings of my choice. This is my favorite seasoning, Total Seasoning. This helps everything. I'm going to be cooking these in the air fryer, so you are going to need some type of olive oil. I'm trying to get away from like canola oil and soybean oil, so I got that olive oil. You're going to need some breadcrumbs, some mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, and an egg, maybe 2 eggs depending on how much crab meat you use. And then you're also going to need some jumbo lump crab meat and an onion. Let me get that out. If you like onions, then you need an onion. And those are my ingredients and my seasonings. And you're just gonna need a bowl. And let's get started. So I'm gonna be cooking these in my air fryer today. So if you have an air fryer, then that's good. If you don't, then that's okay too. You could just put them in the oven, or you could put them in some grease, but I'm trying to be healthier, so not putting these in any grease. And there was just a little water at the bottom of this, so I just poured it out. So there's one thing of crab meat. And here's another. I'll pour the water out of this one too. So my jumbo lump crab meat, all there. Next thing I'm gonna do is take my egg, and I'm gonna whisk this in a bowl separately. I only need to make sure that it gets pretty mixed up. So mix your eggs separately. And depending on how much crab meat you use, you will need 2 eggs maybe. I don't really have a whole lot of crab meat because it's only 2 of us. So 1 egg should be fine. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour this egg right on top of my crab meat. Let me give y'all a closer view. Put that egg right on top of my crab meat. The next thing I'm going to do is go in with some seasoning. I've been really liking this little salt-free seasoning. Because like I said, I'm trying to do a little more healthier recipes. So that one has been very good. I like a little spice, so I'm going to go in with a cayenne pepper. Just a tad bit. We're going to go in with our breadcrumbs. And just eyeball it, y'all. Like whatever you think for the amount of crab meat you need, because I'm not measuring anything. Now I'm going to go in with some Ebates seasoning. On my last video, everybody was going crazy in the comments because I didn't use Ebates. But I'm not a big Ebates fan. So, I mean, if you don't really care for Ebates, then don't use it in your stuff. Y'all was really coming for me in them comments because I didn't use Obey. Of course, it's a Maryland crab cake because I'm from Maryland. But I ain't gotta use Obey if I don't want to. Next thing you will need is some mayo. I use Hellman mayonnaise. Next, I'm going to go with some ketchup. Next, I'm going with a little bit of mustard. Not a whole lot of mustard. Then I'm going to chop a little bit of onion. I got this onion container from Ross, by the way. I think this is so cute for storing your onions, and so they won't go bad. And y'all won't believe it, but that's pretty much it. Now I'm just going to mix this all together, and try not to break up your lump crab meat too much because you don't want it all. You want it lump, okay? And I think I'm gonna have to add one more thing of crab meat to this. But that is pretty much it, honestly. You want it lump, so you don't want to mix it too much. Let me see if I got more crab meat. This didn't really make a lot, so I'm going to go ahead and add one more thing of crab meat because once I mixed it, I just realized it's not a lot, and I don't want to have to cook tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm going to add that next thing of crab meat, and then I'm just going to mix that up. And this is what your mix should look like. It should be juicy and wet, but not runny. And then I'm going to actually add a little bit more breadcrumbs to this. You don't want a lot of breadcrumbs because you want these to be nice and lump. Now, for my air fryer. Okay, I have a Power Air Fryer XL. I'm just going to plug this up. I'm going to spray the bottom of my air fryer with a little olive oil just so my crab cakes won't stick. And then I'm just going to make some balls with the crab cakes. Spread that together, and it just made a little ball. So this is what they look like in the air fryer. We are going to spray the top of them with a little bit of olive oil. And we just gonna pop these right in the air fryer. 380 for 12 minutes. We're gonna let that cook, and I'll be back when it's done. let me get y'all a sneak peek and just wait till I plate them. So this is the final product. Nice, crispy on the outside, but still juicy on the inside. Now we just gonna sprinkle a little bit of parsley on this. And voila. I'm gonna set these up just so I can take my thumbnail. But that's it, quick, easy. The best Maryland crab cakes, delicious. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for my next videos. Bye.